The first twist out of 2020 is popping, honey. Hey everybody, it's J Renee. If you are new here, then welcome, and hey y'all. And if you are a returning subscriber or viewer, then welcome back, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't, then make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. You might as well be tuned in to see all the greatness I have planned for this year. So go ahead and just click that button. But anyways, this is my first natural hair video of 2020, y'all. Like, I am so excited, and what better way to start off 2020 than with a twist out. So today I will be doing a twist out with just one product. I mean, I put in my leave-in conditioner and my oil for my lock method, but I'm gonna just be using one styling product. So if you want to know what product I use for this twist out, then stay tuned. Okay, so the one product I will be using for this twist out is, drumroll, drumroll, drumroll. It is my Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. So I got this during Cyber Monday, haven't used it yet, so I'm very thirsty. I'm just so excited to see how it's gonna turn out because I've heard only good things about this. So yeah, we're gonna see how it works. And just so y'all know, Mielle does have a sale until the end of January. Their products are $7 holla. So make sure that you do check out their website to see what all products they have for $7. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I bought this with my own money. I'm not getting any coins for this, but I just want to show y'all how the twist and souffle works. So let's get started. Today I'm actually going to do a middle part. I always do a side part or my twist out with my bangs in the front, but it's 2020, so I'm trying to step outside my comfort zone a little. I'm gonna say it's 2020 like 20 times in this video. I'm gonna try not to though, I promise. So yes, I am gonna do a middle part. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I have put my leave-in conditioner and my oil in already. The leave-in conditioner that I used is my green tea super moist leave-in by TGIN. I'll put a picture here so y'all can see it. And then I use the Jamaican black castor oil to make sure I seal in that moisture from the lovely leave-in. So yeah, but that part ain't super straight, but it's okay. It's all right. I think I'm gonna do some medium-sized twists. So I don't wanna do like super mini twists, but I also don't want to do jumbo twists because for some reason, me and jumbo twists don't work out with twist outs. So, you know what? It might. I'll try it this year because it is what, y'all? 2020. So why not? Anywho, okay, so I got my section. I'm going to take my Tangle Teaser. Oh, by the way, my hair is just damp. It's not super wet or anything. I'm not gonna be wetting it anymore because I don't want to be under the dryer forever. So I'm just gonna do this twist out my damp hair. So I'm taking my Tangle Teaser. Make sure that you detangle from the bottom up. Boom. Now I'm going to take my twisting souffle. Smells so good. It is thick. Booyah. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that. That's not a little. You know what? That's good. That's good. About that much. Start at the bottom. Put it on my section. Make sure I detangle it through. Oh, that was too much, y'all. You see how heavy it is? It made my hair straight. So don't use that much. I'm gonna just keep it going for now though. Just for this one twist. Take that. I'm gonna detangle again. Boom. Now I'm gonna do my twist. Okay, I got my first twist done here. I did put too much product, so I know this stuff, as you saw, is very thick, so you don't need a lot. So I'm gonna go from there. Don't need a lot, Jessica. You do not need a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all again how I do the twist on this one. Since it's a little bit closer, you'll be able to see better. So I take about this much hair, clip the other hair away. Then I'm going to detangle my section with my Tangle Teaser from the bottom up. That's very important when you're doing a twist out. Make sure that your hair is very detangled. So now that your section is nicely detangled, you are going to take your styling product, which is my twisting souffle. You're gonna get enough so you can make sure that the whole part is saturated with product. You don't want too much because it will weigh your hair down. And you don't want too little or your hair is gonna be super frizzy with no type of hold. So, kind of gotta eyeball it and see. And you tangle tease again. Make sure that that product is evenly distributed. And then you start twisting. And you just do a tight twist so you can make sure that you got some good definition when you take it down. Twist all the way down to the bottom. You can detangle as you go down. Then once you get to the bottom, leave a little bit of hair left, and then you twirl it around your fingers to make that finger coil. Give it a little assistance, and boom, you got you a twist. But yeah, so far I really like this product. It smells good, which is a plus. It is very moisturizing, which is a super plus because you want your twist outs to be soft and fluffy. Okay, y'all, so I'm actually about to finish this side of my hair off of camera. Well, you know what? I'm gonna keep it on camera. I'm gonna just speed it up so y'all can see. But when I'm doing the twist out, I like to listen to music. So that's what I'm about to do because I can't just sit here in silence and twist. So yeah, I'm gonna listen to some music and do my twist, and then I'll be back once I get to this side. Okay, y'all, so after my little dance and twist, this is what I feel so far since I have this, this one side done. So far so good with this souffle, y'all. My twists are super, super, super soft. They're shiny. I don't know if you can see, but let me get a little closer so y'all can see. They are shiny, they are juicy, and I just want to keep going at this point because I'm excited. On my roots, I noticed that they are like frizzy. You could kind of see here. I thought about like, okay, let me just put more product on my root. But I'm going to end up stretching my roots anyway. So that means that it's just going to be frizzy regardless. So I'm like, let me not use no extra product because too much product could equal flakes. So if you see a little frizz at the root, that's okay. Frizz at the root will more than likely equal some more volume if you like volume, which I do. So it's okay. Okay, so before I do start this side, I do want to let y'all know that it did dry some more. However, my hair is still a little bit damp and I'm not going to add any more water. So yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that. I am still working on damp hair. So I use too much product on this piece, and I just want to show y'all how it looks. Weighed down and sticky. So if you see it look like that, you use too much. So just try to, you know, distribute it. I take my Tangle Teaser, just try to distribute it through that piece. And, you know, you're gonna see some curls start forming back, but just wanted to let y'all know how it looks when you use too much of this twist and souffle. So don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's gonna still work out. I am all done with my twists. I'm gonna let y'all see them. This is the side I did first. As you can see, because look at this shrinkage, like the almost dry twist and the not so dry twist. Disrespectful. Got my middle part going. Try to show y'all the back. Okay, so they are still soft. Yeah, they're not hard. They are not hard at all. Even on the little pieces I use too much product, it's not hard at all. So yeah, I'm just about to sit under my hooded dryer. As I always say, that is a key. Make sure your twists are dry, like 100% dry. If you love to see definition and you know the little ringlets and the coils from your twist out, then make sure your twists are 100% dry, so when you take them down, you'll see the definition. I'm gonna sit under there for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'm going to take my twist out and I will be back so y'all can see how that looks. So after stretching and fluffing my hair, all I have to say is my hair is bomb. It is bomb, honey. Let me give y'all a little close up so you can see what I'm talking about. We got some definition, a lot of definition. We got some volume going on. My hair is super soft. It's not crunchy or anything like that. It's not hard. I was worried about it not having hold because I'm so used to using a gel, which means I know it's gonna have some hold, but it was just a twisting souffle that I've never used before. So I'm like, okay, let's see if we got some hold going on. And this twisting souffle, I will be using you again, sweetie, because the first twist out of 2020 is popping, honey. So if y'all want to see some results like this, I would highly recommend using, let me get it. I would highly recommend using this twisting souffle. It's the only styler that I use, y'all. I will leave their website link in the description below because like I said, they do have a $7 sale until the end of January. So get on that. But yes, y'all, thank you so much for watching my first natural hair video of 2020 and be on the lookout for more to come. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.